You hang up the phone and let out a small sigh. According to the state reporting official, Apple Grove High School did not submit the report containing truancy information for the previous school year. The reporting official needs this report no later than tomorrow afternoon. In the past, this might have been a hurdle that you couldn't clear, but now that your reports are generated through PowerSchool, you feel confident that you can breeze through the request. You know the report in question is based on attendance tracking and notification, or ATN data. Typically, this means that the first step is to run the Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report before running any other ATN reports or regulatory compliance reporting associated with truancy. However, since you will be extracting data for a previous school year, you must first update your calculation year. To ensure attendance records are updated for the previous school year, change the calculation year for Apple Grove High School. The calculation year tells the system the year ID of the records it should retrieve from the attendance table. From the District Office Start page, under Setup, click District. On the District Setup page, click Attendance Tracking and Notification. On the Attendance Tracking and Notification page, click Update Calculation Year. The schools in your district that use attendance tracking and notification have a current value of the current school year. To modify the school year, click Apple Grove High School. Open the Select Year menu and click 2011-2012. To save your change, click Submit. Now the current value for Apple Grove High School is set to 2011-2012. You have just one more step before you can run the Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report. Since your state reports include information generated by ATN tracking levels, you need to refresh the tracking level records for the 2011-2012 school year. Change the term you are working in before running the Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report to the same year as the calculation year. In the top right corner of the screen, click Term. From the Term menu, select 2011-2012. Now that you've changed the term to the 2011-2012 school year, it's time to update your attendance records. Since you also run the Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report from the district office, under Reports, click System Reports. On the Reports page, scroll down to the Attendance Tracking and Notification section, and click Refresh Attendance Tracking Data. Running the Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report clears and then recreates the data in the unexcused historical table. By running the report, attendance data in the table reflects any attendance changes. To run the report, click Submit. Submitting the report opens the report queue. Refresh the page until the status of the report changes to Completed. To review the report, click View. The Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report provides three types of information. First, the report indicates which schools have not completed ATN setup. Next, the report indicates the schools where attendance records have been updated and loaded. Notice that for Apple Grove High School, the year is 21. But at Cherry Hill Middle School, the year is 22. This means that the records for Apple Grove were updated for the 2011-2012 school year. But the records for Cherry Hill were updated for 2012-2013. The year is based on the calculation year set for the school within the district ATN setup. And finally, the report displays the year ID used to process tracking levels. The year ID is based on the term indicated at the top of the page when the report is generated. Having only one year ID value ensures that students cannot qualify for a tracking level based on data from two different school years. Close the report when you're done with your review. Now that you've updated the data for ATN, you can generate your previous year's state report with the confidence that the attendance information is accurate. Don't forget to immediately change the calculation year for Apple Grove High School back to the current school year when you are done running your state report. Remember, to change the calculation year, make sure you're at the district office and click District. Then on the District Setup page, click Attendance Tracking and Notification. Next, click Update Calculation Year. On the Update Calculation Year page, select the school you would like to update. Then, open the Select Year menu, pick the school year, and click Submit. To run the Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report from the district office, click System Reports. Then on the report page, select Refresh Attendance Tracking Data. To run the report, click Submit. Review the report to verify the correct information was updated. Now that you know how to change a school's calculation year and run the Refresh Attendance Tracking Data Report, it will take you no time at all to generate the required state truancy reports. Soaring through the process makes you feel like you are back on the track in first place.